So that's how they clean the engine bay?
Yeah, you gotta spray.
All right, bet.
You just spray it on.
Oh, yeah. If you don't know common sense, yeah.
Oh,
All right, go for it. Oh my God, this shit is sick. And this shit's getting tuned on Saturday?
yes, sir.
Oh my God, bro, I need that shit.
You know how I have different thoughts, bro. I love it and then I hate it. It's a love-hate.
Dude, it's a fat ass tome. Oh, that shit's sick though. I like that. Ooh, the Ray Lewis. Follow my boy. This is good. Part of Exotic BQs.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's get it pumping. Are you ready or not?
Yeah, we're ready.
Alright, let's go. Are we still waiting for it to cool down a bit?
Man, I don't know. It's so
Oh shit. Yeah, let's wait for that for a little bit. Damn. Boy got IPL bumper, GTR headlights, 370Z sport rims. Okay. Hood wrapped black, pearl white. Say that. Even the little bandana, the carbon fiber mirror caps. Okay, Chris. So, bro, you ready for this Saturday? Because it's tune day.
Yeah, bro. I am ready. I'm ready for Friday because that's when I'm installing the injectors, the spark plugs, the corner packs, the intakes, the fuel pump, all that shit.
Bro, because you got 3-inch admins. You're going on E85. You're getting 3-inch. Okay.
So,
pretty much. That's pretty much.
I also have the PCB delete thing.
Oh yeah, you do. But so you're pretty much going full bolt-ons, right?
Yeah, just
pretty much.
besides the headers.
Oh, headers will do it when we have a whole garage and we know how to do headers and shit like that. Yeah. But if we're doing headers, bro, we're either going PKs or we're going ISRs.
PPE
Oh shit.
is what?
PPEs, like those are the main ones that people are using, like these other people with the G37S. But if y'all don't know, hold on, let me check. Unlock this shit, B. This shit is an actual manual. It's a 6-speed.
Don't mind this ugly tan.
It's all good. We
We'll
love
get racing seats, bro.
We get bucket seats. Nah, it's just gonna be hard though. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then on my end, shit, we pretty much just stock. We got GTR clear headlights, front grille, hot air intakes. We want to get rid of those. Carbon fiber mirror cabs, bro. I need to go get him my hood wrapped black though, and I'm an actual 6-speed as well as Chris. But bro, shit, I got doodle stains on my shit. Man, these fucking birds be shitting on my car every fucking day though. I ain't even gonna hold you. Oh my God, quality lights and shit.
I'm gonna do this, bro.
So you just, was this for me? Like,
This is mine.
oh, that's your, okay, this is mine. All right, bro.
So I'm gonna start. All right, ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh shit, that shit comes out. Get that shit all over there.
Oh, damn. I don't know what I was expecting, all foam and shit like that. Okay.
Yeah, the foam one isn't as good as the spray.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh,
Okay, might as well.
damn.
Why it look like that?
I'm gonna get inside of there. If you see any points, if you see anything out of the spray.
It's good. Yeah, man, this shit's still a little hot. Nah, we be alright.
No, but we're gonna let it. You're supposed to let it sit anyway.
Oh, okay. I know, we be alright. So should I just get the same started for mine? Or should I wait a little more?
Yeah, you can do it if you want, cause it's gonna sit.
And then we're gonna take care of the rest.
5 minutes.
All right, man. I'm gonna go do mine then. For sure, it's good. Cause god damn. Wait, should I cover up my things right now? Might as well. Should I just cover up my
You don't need to.
No? All right, it's good.
Well, but
For these, yeah.
I mean, I will.
All right, hold on. Pretty much it's all covered up now. Now it's time to get to the fun stuff. Hold on. Spray this shit everywhere. Well, you know what, bro? I'm gonna cut because this shit's a little too fun. I'll be right back. All right, we're back now. So pretty much I sprayed everything down for the most part, but I feel like I'm still missing some stuff. I mean, it's a little greased up now. I gotta turn on the flash. It's a little more there. Shit's fucking dope though. Oh shit. This shit fucking smoking. Oh shit. Hey bro, put some eggs on this bitch. Oh shit. Alright, hold on, let me see. Oh shit, I ran out.
You got no study with him, right?
Oh, god damn.
Damn, were you getting on it, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, I was. Bro, we're gonna have to go get a new HR engine.
Nah, just let it sit.
Nah, we'd be alright. But should I just spray more or not?
Overthinking.
Nah, should we spray more though? I mean,
Just spray it on. I use my whole shit.
oh, you did? Alright, bet.
Spray it on the every little thing.
Alright, this is good. Yeah, hella dirt right there.
That boy's on the flat.
I know you seen that for a fact. That boy was on a straight flat. Bro, the whole engine is hot. Man. Bro, I'm scared, bro. This shit's steaming too much.
That's why you gotta let it sit. So as long as you let it sit and then you rinse it off.
Alright, bet. Get that shit, my boy. God damn. My boy, that shit's steaming to the neck. Brad, yo. Looks pretty clean, my boy.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad. Shit, I'm gonna get started on mine then, alright? Alright, bro, now I'm gonna get started on mine after I just let this shit sit for like a cool 5-10 minutes. Just because, or something like that, but just because the engine is still hot, that's why I'm a little hesitant, but I think I'll be fine. But I'm gonna just put y'all like right here. Hopefully this shit doesn't fall because, oh fuck, I'm gonna fuck around and cry. Well, fuck. If you seen that shit, well, ain't that some shit? Wow. Fuck that shit. Alright, anyways, pretty much now it's all done. As you can see, it's all fucking shiny, clean. Ooh, damn, nice shit. I'm selling these, by the way, if anybody wants them for a G37. Sell these 200 if anybody needs them. Let me know. Sacramento area.